ACE Works, we create future. Hi friends, this is Chirag Kotian from ACE Work, and today we will see a project based on Arduino which is useful for both farmers and also urban people for irrigating their gardens and also farms. The tagline of this project is Responsibility of Farms Now in Our Arms, and the name of this project is Smart Irrigator. In this project we have used Arduino Uno 3, but you can use any Arduino board. This project is useful in both urban and rural areas. Through this project we can reduce the amount of water we use for irrigating plants. Let's see the components required for making this project. Electrical components. Water level sensor in main tank. Pumps and also water level sensor for submersible pump. Water supply. Manure mixer, which mixes the manure with the water in the main tank. Other required materials. It also includes a cloth which you will use as a filter for filtering the big particles of manure. Now let's see the Arduino program. This program we have made from the official Arduino software which we got from Arduino website. I will explain you the use of this program in the later part of this video. Let's see the circuit diagram of Arduino soil moisture sensor and also servo. This circuit diagram varies from program to program. It's based upon your programming. Now I will explain you its working and also the different components in detail. Here we can see the rainwater collector. This rainwater collector collects the rain and supplies it to the rainwater collector. There is also a filter inside this rainwater collector to collect all the impurities which come along with the rainwater. Let's see the rainwater collector tank. Inside this rainwater collector tank, there is a submersible pump connected in series with the water level sensor. In water level sensor, there are two nuts which get connected when the water level increases in the rainwater tank. Due to this, the submersible pump runs only when there is water inside the rainwater collector tank. This submersible pump is connected in series with the water level sensor in the main tank. This is the water level sensor in the main tank, connected to a toggle switch through a flow table which is here a bottle. When the water level increases in the main tank, this flow table floats and it goes upwards. Due to its upward movement, the toggle switch is activated and the pumps work. As we can see above, there are two plates which get connected. These plates are connected in series with the manure mixer. This mixer mixes the manure with the water in the main tank. This is the manure mixer, which is connected through a hollow tube to a fan. This manure mixer mixes the water and the manure properly. Here we can see the manure bin, which is connected to the main tank using old used pens. So we are not using anything new, we are just recycling the materials. Below the manure bin, as we can see, there is a fabric which is used as a filter which prevents large pieces of manure to go inside the water in the main tank, which can cause blockage in the whole system. The electrical box, as we can see, there is a Arduino Uno R3 connected through the 3 wires of the servo, which is then connected to the soil moisture sensor, as we can see here. Friends, this is a pump which supplies water to the main tank. Here we can see a DC motor normally used in drill machines, which is connected through a rod to the fans inside the pump body. The water comes from the front portion of the pump and goes outwards from above the pump. If there is any leakage, it is collected and it goes through a duct and falls down. The servo is then connected to a purifier tap through metal string. This purifier tap is connected to the pipes which come out, and as we can see here, supplies water to the plants. We can increase the length of this pipe as much as we want. Here we can see a simple dropper system made from syringe. We can see here that the pump is driving water from the main source and delivering it into the main tank. There are many adapters and plugs connected to the external power source. We can see water filled in the rainwater collector tank. Let's see the placement inside the electrical box. These are the two converters. Here the water is being supplied to the main tank. This is the water level sensor and manure mixer. This is the soil to which water is being supplied. Let's see the servo and also the tap. This is the working of pump. There is a large utensil besides pump which collects the leaked water of the pump. Here submersible pump is supplying water to the main tank. This is the rainwater collector. As soon as the submersible pump finishes the water in the rainwater collector tank, main pump starts giving water to the main tank. Let's see the working of water level sensor. Here, as we can see, the water level sensor is getting deactivated. And as soon as it gets deactivated, pump stops and manure mixer starts. This is the whole placement. Let's see the manure bin. The manure bin is connected to the main tank using two old pens. Thus we are recycling pens. Below manure bin, there is a filter which filters the large particles of manure. Let's see the working of soil moisture sensor, Arduino, servo and tap. As soon as we remove the soil moisture sensor, water supply is started, and as soon as we put it in, water supply is stopped. Let's see different aspects of this project.